The outlines are supposed to be the easiest questions in the reading section, and yet when I gave this exercise of 10 questions to my students, nobody gets 100%, which is crazy to me. You need to be able to be 100% on these all the time. So that's why we're making videos, to really make sure everyone gets it. So let's just start with this one here. Remember, the main strategy for the outlines is we're not going to read the outline at first. We're going to go right to the question itself and focus on strong words in that question. They are giving you specific instructions. The student wants to present the primary aim of the research study. That word stands out to me because whenever we talk about studies or experiments on the SAT, we are often asked about specific parts, right? We have the kind of goal of the study, the hypothesis, then the method that's used to carry out the study. Then finally, maybe we get to the findings of the study or any criticisms that we could have about things that are wrong with the study. So there's lots of pieces of research studies and experiments, and they will ask about different things. So focus on the aim. What's the goal of this study? So now we just go to the choices and see if anything sounds like that. Both sales team wanted to better understand the mechanics behind the bird nest's uniquely flexible yet cohesive structural properties. What they wanted sounds like what they aimed to do. So that word I really love there. That sounds like it. Let's just look at the other choices and see. The researchers used laboratory models that simulated the arrangement of flexible sticks and analyzed the points where sticks touch one another. This is the method, right? Is it summarizing the experiment? Yes. Is it presenting the research study? Yes. Like if the question were different and it said the student wants to present the research study, suddenly choice B seems a little bit better because it's kind of summarizing what they did, but that's not what the question says. So you got to be really careful when the question gives you specific instructions that you follow them, because now I know this is definitely wrong. They don't want what they did in the study. They want to know what the people who did the study wanted to do in the first place. C, after analyzing the points where sticks touched, the researchers found that the structures became stiffer when pressure was applied. Well, these are the findings of the study. These are the results. So no, we don't want that. D, as analyzed by both sales team, bird nests are uniquely flexible yet cohesive engineered structures. I guess that's also findings. I don't know, but it's certainly not the goal of the study. It sounds like some sort of results. So yeah, it's definitely A. You should have no doubt about this. This should be a quick, confident answer. The only reason people get it wrong is they don't really know what they're doing here. They kind of are just trying to summarize the study. They're not paying attention to words like aim that are very specific. So hopefully, lesson learned if you got this wrong.